Guys, this is a truly unique event. Two people are working right in front of your eyes. Ilyusha here, it's on the S13. I'm saying Ilyusha is on the S13. Working on the S13?
Okay.
Uh-huh. And Alyona at this moment is creating content just like Ilyusha's working on the S13. That's cool, man. Nice spark. Thank you very much, man.
More of that
More?
fine.
No,
So
no,
I
no.
don't-
That's enough. That's enough. All right, we welcome you again to the CarXMotorsport garage, where we build the red, the yellow, and blue Silvias here. We are full drifting, preparing for the drifty session, and in this chapter we will show you how we run oil through the drive sump system to avoid those splashes, so our cars can run cleanly, smoothly, and without any issues. From Rostov-on-Don, a naturally aspirated Coyote engine has arrived. We'll unpack it and check if there is any issue after a long journey. And set it aside, the Syria S13 is undergoing a major transformation because the guys are working on the suspension modifications. Specifically, they're shifting and lengthening the chassis so that the engine fits further back in the bay. This improved the car's handling. All the details, nuances will definitely be explained today. So the season is coming very soon. Test runs will start shortly because the cars are being fine-tuned to their fully ready states. Hang in there a little longer. This is CarXMotorsport. Soon everything here, everything that's in place will be running, and it'll be very exciting. We are running an experiment. We are shifting the weight of the car to the rear. We waited on the stock mounts, and now we're moving the control arms forward, the front ones, to shift the balance. It smells weird here.
It's all body filler.
Yeah, I know
So the whole car is full of it?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Weight distribution is now roughly 59 to 41%. 59 load on the front and 41 on the back. We are moving control arms forward, and we'll see how that affects distribution of weight. Sounds good? Strength starts from the butt, and from it first the legs and after the rest of the body growth. To shift the weight to the rear, there are several options. Either physically move it, but we already do that in our build. So we shift the car's base, that's lengthening forward, and the weight is distributed to the rear. That's some engineering magic. So we take this part and get it lower. We attach a bracket to the hub, and that gets it lower. And here in this plane, we can just attach it like anywhere. So it's right on the edge, super rigid. We won't touch this shit because it's like second reinforcement. And if we added something else downward, it would prevent it from bending. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. I don't want to remake the hub because the magic is creating something new without destroying the old.
And why move the engine to the base when you can just shift the base forward from the engine?
Yeah, shift the base.
Transmission from the animal kingdom. Oh, that service.
Yo, see you tomorrow, man.
All the best, brother. Sangirangi.
Hey, bro, get a 5-liter tanks ready. At least one of them, okay?
Where to find that fuck? We don't have any of those.
Oh, fuck. See, that's what I don't want the audio recorded, because I swear a lot. Especially when I'm talking to this guy. You know, we are always being filmed by the hidden camera right now.
Don't pay attention. Just act like
Interesting.
nothing is
Are they
happening there.
listening right now?
Of course. Look at how beautiful that tilt on pedal is.
There is CarXMotorsport. Hey,
Ow. We are now in the 9th box. Now we're going to unload this engine. Just look at it. It's on film. You got it, right? So beautiful.
Watch me pop my collar, them girl holler. Them man hit me for the sauce on top. I got what they need, doors open. Now I navigate through like cause I can. I weren't made to be less than great. Avant-garde, I don't know no grain. Come like pop.
Greetings to car sports fans and more. This is box number 9 at the ADM Raceway track. This is the CarXMotorsport team. Today we have an unboxing of an engine called Coyote. This amazing engine came from Rostov-on-Don. Where it will be installed, I don't know yet. Competent people will tell you about it.
Pack the collar, then run this dance. I'm on that everyday good tip dog. Not into celebrating, but go on. Bang off my chest cause I'm feeling good. Mr. Mate beats in the flow so hood. Ask a bang.
This scanner here has several scanning mode options. You can scan faster but with lower quality, or slower but with higher quality. I've been sitting here like an idiot for 2 days trying to pick the optimal. I'm scanning the internal parts because we are moving the cross member forward, since we're shifting the wheel forward along the strut. Now I'm scanning the control points, so as to build a proper transfer system to make brackets, so that we can properly transfer and firmly mount the front strut, install a new support and shift the front cross member, the subframe, so that you can drive stable and confident, and so the base spread more. Our base will be mix of BMW and Silvia, like in the middle. Right now I want to scan to make new tension brackets. We're staying with the classical drain scheme where the lever is fixed both in the cross member and at the front of the car. But there is the idea to reverse it all, do it like BMW backwards, and take some load from control arm. Because now at this spot, the load seems pretty heavy, and front end is not exactly a strong point of Silvia's. It's actually weak in the front. But you have to respect the age, okay? So we'll try to relieve the load on that part of the car with the lever flipping method. But for now, we try to do everything quickly so we can understand really fast if that suits us or not. First, we'll make this type of mounting tubular one, like that, and then after I scan everything, process it and send it off production, we'll put something proper there. Something sturdy and reliable. Copy. This is the first base, over.
Here's the base. Over.
Listen, the guys are driving here. It's a track day. And visitors were also calling security boss, saying, damn, that some bear is sitting in the stands or something like that.
What?
A bear.
Sergey, look, I need to work here, please. Don't play.
And he even with every proper setup kind of waves his paws like he liked it. Listen, they are telling me that last week someone saw a bear too. Looks like it's the same one. Did it just forget something about the racetrack? I don't know. Do you want to say something to subscribers?
Hey, subscribers, hello.
What you will wish them? This is the end of the chapter, the finale.
I wish you happiness, health, and hit those likes, subscribe, comment, ring the little trees. What trees? I mean the bells, notifications.
Little bells, right?
Little bells, yeah.
So you're pointing me with a gun, like I wish you happiness, health, and good luck. And should they subscribe or something? Yeah, and also touch the bell, Watch our videos and take some wisdom. Technical wisdom. And not only, take our experience and mistakes, so wisdom. I wish you wisdom. Okay, wisdom.
Sorry.
Hey Alex, what should we wish to our subscribers?
Health and steady nerves. Got stuck, damn it.
Our mechanic has left for some important deals. We'll give you a look at his amazing workspace, where only top-notch repairs and tuning are done. We were connected with Nikita. You have the black table here, CarXMotorsport, and this video is coming straight from this camera right to this laptop here. And I almost forgot, our Red Z from Kazakhstan has arrived. The 370. The owner used it for time attack, then to work, or vice versa. I don't know, in any case, was daily. We don't know what's gonna happen when it hits the track, but one thing is for sure, the plan to turn it into 400 model. As I understand, there is a ready-made solution for how this car will be cut and transformed into the 400, but we won't get ahead of ourselves. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us in our social media. Watch out, look around, a competition is coming soon and there will be a lot of smoke. Bye bye.